Let's now look at the first of the core areas, costing methods. When we look at costing methods, we're looking at developing on the basic methodologies that you already know, in the form of absorption costing and marginal costing. What we're looking at here is identifying specific costing methods to deal with specific issues or perceived problems. So what costing methods are there that we have to learn? If we look at our costing methods, we have 5 that we have to be able to deal with. That includes something called absorption costing, which I think a lot of you are already aware of from your earlier studies. We need to have some awareness of absorption costing simply because one of the big things that we're going to do here is compare and contrast absorption costing to activity-based costing. Now, in addition to activity-based costing, the other big topic in this area is something called throughput accounting. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to find that there is a specific style of question that we can reasonably expect in terms of dealing with ABC and in terms of dealing with throughput accounting. And from a computational perspective, these are the 2 biggies. Okay? In addition to these, however, we have a wholly discursive topic called environmental accounting. Now, this has only just been introduced by the examiner. It is only discursive, and it's quite difficult to understand precisely how it is going to be examined. And I say that after reading the examiner's article on environmental management accounting. In addition to all of this, we've got a couple of other costing methods. They're relatively straightforward. One is target costing, and the other is life cycle costing. The reason why I can't get too excited about these is, yes, we have to understand the theory underpinning them, not difficult, but there's no specific complex computation that we really have to learn about them. And as a result, I don't think that they're going to be too difficult for you at all. So, if we've got a little bit of knowledge about each of these topic areas, we'll be fine in the exam hall.